In this video, I'm gonna show you the difference between the ReluxGo versus your local competitor that you would get from a local auto parts store. Okay, so first thing we're gonna take a look at is overall quality. Now, I can tell you that I paid around the same exact price for both of these, okay? And this is the one from the local auto parts store, and this is the ReluxGo. Now, when it comes to safety, this one stands out to me in so many ways. This one fails in so many ways. And let me get into that real quick. So as you can see on this kit, we have a collar that's gonna lock both of these around from side to side. That is gonna enable these to not walk on you whenever you're tightening these, because guys, the springs go downward. And when you tighten them, if you've probably experienced these walking on you, and then by the time you're done tightening them, this one's over here and this one's here. And you need them to be opposite. And this keeps that opposite. It keeps equal pressure, and you won't have to actually put as much pressure on these and tighten them down as much to get these compressed to where you want them. Now, if that walks on you, now you have to compress these so much because this side's gonna be little and this side's gonna be big still. So this distributes the weight evenly. It'll actually make the job a lot quicker. Now, I wanna be honest with you guys. So when I was installing both of these, this one actually took me double the time because they have the stupid little lock rings here that don't even work. And if I push these hard enough, they will go past the springs. We have these little clips here that like to break your fingernails as you try to put them on. And also another flaw that I see with this is these point down so much, and you have to crank these down a ton in order to get these to compress where you want them. Now, these don't have that crossbar to keep these in line perfectly. However, they should. And I've noticed whenever I've done my springs in the past that these will get in my way. These will actually hit like the frame of the car and actually be in the way. The competitor is honestly horrible, overpriced, and it has horrible safety. Taking a look at the ReluxGo, this has so many more features on it, and should I say bang for your buck. Now, this has a nice grip, a textured grip for you to hang on to. This is a 19 millimeter, easy to tighten, easy to loosen. You actually have a lock collar here, and you also have a double clamp on this side. So we have a double clamp and a lock collar, as well as one on the top. So that's gonna be a lot of extra safety, not to mention the collar itself. So there are just so many pros to this and cons to this. I'm gonna let you guys decide, but I'm pretty sure the answer is pretty obvious. At the end of the day, it just upsets me that these are both the same exact price. So why not buy something that's gonna keep you safer, that's gonna last longer, that's gonna be made with more quality? It's gonna make your job a lot easier and faster. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.